In this video, we will practice two previous topics. It means true, false values and the ternary operator. So, for example, the first example, we have some administration and you need to know if somebody is logged in or log out. So I will set login to true, and I will, in the variable message, I would like to store some text. So I will write welcome back like this, if login, else give me back please login. Okay, so I will print it. So what does it mean? Login is true. So if login, so it means if this part is ended by true, it gives us back welcome back and it's stored in message. If this is false, so please login is giving back and stored in the message and print out. So I will run it and you can see welcome back. Maybe I will clear it. Okay, so now welcome back. If there will be false, okay, I will run it, please log in. So if it is false, this value comes back. If it is true, this value comes back. Okay, and is stored in the variable message. I hope you understand. So, and again, this is ternary operator. You can write it in if and else block as well, but it isn't necessary. This is a short code and programmers use it very often. Again, we have a second example. I will comment it out like this. Okay, and the second example, we have two numbers, for example, and you want to decide which number is higher, okay, or larger. So give me A if A is greater than B, else give me back number B. Okay, I will print larger and you can see 25. If I put it here 30, run it, it give me back 30. Okay, so if A is greater than B, 30 is greater than 25, it's true, give me back this. If it goes like this, 0 is greater than 25, it's false, give me back B value, store it in a large variable and print it out. Okay, and the third example, it will be about temperature. So today's temperature is, for example, 18 and we will call it status. So give me back the value warm or the string warm if temperature is greater than 20. Else give me back the value cold. So what will be in the status now? So temperature is 18. So 18 is greater than 20. It's not true, right? So the cold will be stored in the status and print out. Run it and you can see cold is here. So if I put here, for example, 25, run it, it's warm because 25 is greater than 20, it's true, so give me back this value, warm, store in the status variable and print out. Okay, I hope you understand. And you can see that it's very helpful, right? Because the code is very short and that's perfect.